There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. So I hope y'all all are having like an amazing day, a super great day whenever you're watching this video. So y'all already see by the title, it is from my people at Unice Hair. Girl, Amazon Prime, get your on time. Okay, now this is one of those infamous curtain bangs. Boo-boo, curtain bangs, yes. Already came with a roller in it, girl. Everything about this unit is pre-everything. Pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-bleached. What else am I missing? I'm probably missing something else, but girl, listen, it's about to look really, really cute. Look at the back, girl. It got adjustable straps, a comb, and an elastic band. So let me show you how your wig comes from Unice.
Hard to get, tease me, boy, I'm a Mr. Fred. Flirt, work for bread. So coy, take it slow to lead. Hurts, seductive when you look at me that way. Irresistible, but I try. Hypnotic, making you wait, so erotic. Perks, and I want you to want me, yeah. I want you to crave me. As tension is building, yeah.
What I tell y'all, everything is pre-everything on this unit. Now y'all see how nice they bleached this? Swiss lace, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-styled, pre-approved. Girl, listen, this wig came ready to go, and y'all already know Unice Hair has got that flow. I'm back with my bars. Yes, girl, back with these bars. Anyway, so the hair is virgin human hair, which is in their Brazilian body wave. This is a 13x4 pre-everything pre-cut lace front, and it is 150% in density. Okay, girl. Now the cap fits great. The length is 24 inches. And like I said, it's a curtain bang. Now you can wear this as a wispy bang. You can wear it as a curtain bang. Girl, you could do whatever you want to do because it's your wig. But I will say this, the quality is amazing, and this is so affordable right at where? Amazon Prime. Now I'm only putting a little bit of hairspray on the sides because you really don't have to wear or put any glue or any type of adhesives because it's glueless. And plus, I feel like this lace kind of like molds to your head. It just fits your head properly. It's not like sticking up. And you know, you put a little bit of that hairspray on the outside, it will make the wig melt. So while that's drying, I'm gonna just go ahead and put some curls in this unit with my 1.5 inch curling wand.
Powerful sex appeal, but we play it cool. Touch, push and pull, that friction so sensual. Clutch, draw me in when you handle me that way. Where you've been all my life, just play by the rules. Baby, hold out until it's too much. And I want you to want me, yeah. I want you to crave me. As tension is building, yeah. And driving us crazy. Alone. Give me.
She came out real cute, y'all. Layered curtain bangs, girl, nice and long. The volume, the density, the look is there. And like I said, y'all, she can be worn as a wispy bang or however you want to wear her. I decided just to play around a little bit with her. She was definitely giving me Farrah Fawcett vibes. And girl, if y'all know me very well, I used to curl my hair like this a lot back in the day. But anyway, you guys, I love y'all. I'm happy as y'all can see. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.